This video is about making a wheel hub. Now the wheel hub is something that you're using in sculptures such as the Cinderella's coach. In two parts on the Cinderella's coach actually, you'll use it on the wheels and at the bottom and the top of the central coach part. And in a previous video I mentioned that we've got the five-way connector that's got the flat bottom, and there was a reason for that, and this is what it is. Because in the Cinderella's coach, in some wheels, we want more than just 4 poles coming out. So, say for instance, this was the hub of a wheel, yeah, and we've got 4 poles in there. It's not enough. You want more than that to make it a nice feature. So what we want to do is we want to double it up. The problem is that if we'd have made a connector that had more holes in, then there's not enough space for them, and it starts to weaken the whole thing. So to keep the numbers of connectors down, we came up with a system that basically means that all you need is 2 of the 5-way connectors. So what would happen with that is they would then go back to back, and this is why it's flat, and they sit like that. Now that's great, but how do we hold it in that position? And it's quite simple. What we do is we use the clamps, and the clamps are made specifically for this reason. Excuse me. Basically, we load a clamp in, we put this into there, so as it's fitted in. Then we do the same on the opposite one. So this goes in. I'll show it to you in a second once I've got it in. Oh, that clamp's tightened up. So we've now got the 2 clamps on there. When we bring the next hub in, just take these out. And we pass this through here like that, and this pole goes through there like that. And we slide the 2 clamps right the way up, and then we clamp them down. If those 2 clamps are slid right the way up to the 5-ways, and the 5-ways are back to back, I'll just put these other poles in so you can get the idea. So you see the clamps are pushed right the way down to there and there, there and there. It now holds that hub in the perfect position where all of these are equally spaced. They're designed to do that, and it makes it a perfect shape, and it's an easy hub to make. And so we use that, as I said, in the upright position for things like the large back wheels on the Cinderella coach. You have a fitting on there, and then you've got the flexibles going around. Or alternatively, also in the Cinderella coach, we've got this sitting like this, and you've got these are flexibles in that on the centre section where they go up, and we utilise it in the horizontal. So that's the wheel hub using the clamps.